Biafrans all over the world, something very important is gradually fishing right now against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nigerian government and Ndotia, they have placed a strategic movement against this particular appeal that is coming up. I just added one or two things together and it is true. Just calm down, let's analyze it. Let's talk about it. O nwee ihe na-eme ka m were ebe anyị sụọ ya. O nwee ihe na-eme within this period. A pụtara sị na a na-aga total reading n'ala Igbo. Kedu aha ya? Udele aga n'ala Igbo sị na ha na-eme gịnị operation gịnị nwa kpọrọ ndị uwe ojii ha gaa n'ala Igbo na-azakasị ebe niile na-azọkasị ime ọhịa niile asị na a na-eme gịnị nwa n'Imo steeti a na-eme nke wee mee nke ọzọ. Then all of a sudden ndị military apụtasị na ha na-aga for total raid n'ala Igbo. Now the appeal Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is coming up and o nwee ihe m hụrụ na under the comment of Barrister Aloy Ejimakor ya sị ọ bụrụ na Nigerian government na ha wepụta another thing against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that they are ready. They are already sensing the whole thing because from the whole thing kịta ihe ndị a na-achọ bụ ihe ha ga-ahụ n'ala Igbo ha ga-eji use against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ihe these people na-achọ n'ala Igbo, the reason why uche ha niile ile anya all the whole thing a na-eme na north ndị a na-egbushi both ma gịnị nwa uche ha adịghị ya. They don't care. Even mgbe Tinubu gara north ka ebe ka ọ gaga visit ndị Katsina, he didn't even go there. Yo rute na kedu aha ya rute na airport nọchi ebe ahụ lawa. He didn't even waste 10 minutes or lawa. Why? They are on a hot seat. Ha na-achọ what they will hold. Ha na-achọ what they will hold against this appeal that is coming up. Because onye gwa gị that na enweghị ihe na-emenụ in this case of Biafra and Nigeria, that is a lie. Something is going on. A very heavy thing is going on. And as day goes by, Nigeria continue to expose themselves. Even with the military presence in Nigeria, Nigeria continue to expose themselves. Even with American military, even with all the threats, even with all the drones Donald Trump who sent in Nigeria in December, Nigeria continue to expose themselves. Everything na-eme Nigeria na-apụta ma onwe ha expose. Mgbe this particular struggle ha bidoro with Iran bidoro, ndị ugwu apụta bịa mee one protest ha mere buru bana Donald Trump gbaa ya ọkụ mekwa nta mee ihe akaja niile. That is exposing their self. And o nwee ihe ọzọ m chọrọ ka m gwa unu. Ọtụtụ ndị be anyị nọ na America nọ na all these prominent countries ha na-afile ịghọta ihe m na-ekwu akwụkwọ ha na-afile akwụkwọ enye both mana parliament enye ma ndị isi oche enye na court enye n'ebe nke a enye na they are not quiet. All right, so Nigeria is on a hot seat and you dizie ka ihe niile na-emenu on a work of our own good, so they are looking for a way to re-strategize. And Tinubu enweghị ike ịgwa ndị north si ha kwụsị. Do you understand? Ọ bụrụ na Tinubu si ndị north si ha kwụsị the thing ha na-ekwu maka Trump na ha kwụsị ha etizi na death to America, death to Donald Trump, death to America, death to Israel. Or say ha kwụsị, they will start fighting him. That is why he cannot tell them to stop. And ndị bandit n'onwe ha, he cannot tell the bandit to stop because all the kahana hona agreement. Do you understand? So, ihe ha na-achọzi kịta, all their attention, all their mind is situated in ala Igbo. I just joined one or two things together and everything is true. Eziokwu ka ọwụ. All their mind is in ala Igbo. So ihe ha na-achọ kịta awụ. Ọ bụrụ na ile anya mgbe e nyechara Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka aha ya life sentence. Enyecha ya that sentence. Ya dịka ebe niile abịara jụọ oyi. That level ha na-eji aga eme ndị mmadụ arrest. Ha ma onye nke arrest. Asị na ọ bụ ndị ESN that we have captured ESN 10. ESN 10. We have captured ESN 20. We have destroyed their gịnị nwa. We have the thing they are reduced so. But kita that they have submitted the ground of appeal, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, everything a kikikwa off again. These people are not going back on their words. It is now that they are ready. It is now that they want to continue. The appeal is fast approaching. From now to 2 weeks' time, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be coming out for grand hearing. This is not a joke. They have finished piling up the whole thing. They have transmitted the appeal and everything. The only thing Hana Chizikita is for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that date to reach Kobiana court. Let the argument start. And once the argument starts, these people, you will see them, they'll just set the judgment and everything. Okay. So what are they trying to do? They are just trying to make sure that they pile up evidences that they might use to hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back. Because obviously Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be set free that day. Because everything Justice James Omotosho did was not according to the constitution. It was not according to the law or whatever. It was not. So this particular appeal court is the only place that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to get judgment. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will definitely come out because his hands are clean. So they are looking for every other thing that they will use to either hold him back, or I see that they have adjourned it, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that the federal government have brought up another evidence against him. So that is why they are sending Udele. They are sending Nigerian military to go to down east to go and do investigation. That is why, of a recent, they begin to tell you, they said that they captured some ESN, Nelumiri. I wonder when they started flying on top of the water, when they joined marine engineer. So they said they captured them on the water. They said that they captured them, they destroyed their thing in the bush. They said a whole lot of things within this period. So these people, this is what they are looking for. At this time, they are looking for any tangible evidence to hold against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because of this appeal, they don't want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or the Court of Appeal to discharge Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That even if they discharge Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they will use that against him. So let's continue to pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and continue to pray for Biafrans at large. And anybody that they are going to use, anybody, I know the people I'm talking about, anybody, that person will never go scot-free. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do well to share your thoughts under the comment section and do well to follow us for more updates. Bye for now.